been running around. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind.
Wig, darling. Michelle, is this a frontal honey blonde wig that is 150% density and 24 inches with a 13x4 frontal? Why, yes it is. Ooh, girl, this is bright. This is the color, darling. This is how it came. 13x4. Here is the cap construction. We have no combs on the sides, ladies and gentlemen. We have one in the back. And instead of any adjustable straps, we have this non-slip silicone grip, and this is going all of the way around. It comes with an elastic strap that goes in right here, but I guess I was a little excited when I opened the package and this thing flew somewhere, honey. It is gone. Got it. So here is the elastic strap that we're gonna add into our wig cap, and this thing is crucial for making sure that the wig is secure on your head. You just measure your head like that. And then you insert, okay? If you wear a bra, you know how to do this. So once it's locked in, all you have to do is adjust this bad boy. Super easy to adjust, and make sure that it's comfortable on your head, and you are good to go. No glue needed. This is actually a pre-everything, so it's glueless, and you don't need to add any adhesives. It comes actually on these ear flaps. You see this right here? This is a little tape right here, and that's to keep your sideburns down so that they don't fly in the wind. Y'all ever see that clip of that girl, the news anchor, when she was trying to do her job and the wind and her wig joined forces together and came her off? So enough yip yapping from me, let's put her on. Immediately, it's giving la da la da la da. I'm at your feet whenever. Me, hi, it's a little Shakira. It's very summer. So let me get close and let me show you the nitty gritty. Not to be confused with hitting the gritty, which is what my 7-year-old has not stopped doing since school ended. So this is the hairline. And then, of course, we have these pieces that we can tape down. And with these pieces that you tape down, you want to avoid, okay, listen to me. You want to avoid getting these tape pieces stuck to your hair. If you don't, use a little bit of oil, say some prayers, comb it out. Also, I wanted to point out that it came with a ton of additional lace tape. I guess that took a long time because my hair is dry, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and re-wet the hair, and then I'm gonna add mousse, and I'm gonna manipulate these. Look at how it looks! Oh my goodness, wait a minute. Whoa. So this is fun because it really looks like I need a boombox and some leg warmers. But this time I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite styler that I love to use for my wigs, and that is Aussie Moist. And I have my favorite detangling brush. I've got my blow dry right here to diffuse my curls, and then when it's dry, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Anyway, y'all know. I'll see you on the other side.
Show ya. Show me the call you when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city.
Alright, it's been about an hour. I let the hair finish drying. I'm just gonna put a little bit of my Avita dry oil in here for a little shine. Cause I don't want to do too much, but I do want to break up this cast. Oh my gosh, look at this hair. Oh, this stuff smells good. It smells like so citrusy. Look how gorgeous that came out. Juicy curl.
How you taking all my time? Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I like it how I rock it from behind. How you taking all
so this hair is gorgeous. The color is screaming, go outside. Okay, go outside right now. Thank you so much, UNice, for being patient again. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to know all the specifications and where you can get this wig yourself for the summertime, check out my link in the description box and leave me a comment so I can talk and feel like I got friends, because a girl is about to be in the house for the next 2 to 3 months because I need to steamroll this semester, okay? I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!
nice, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Pour it slow, keep it nice and steady.